everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a freelancer and you want to make money, if you are not a freelancer, if you are accountant and you are afraid from the idea about a freelancing, just keep watching this video because this video will change your entire life. You have a product with your hand. Everyone wants this product. You just not promote enough for this product. If you are working as accountant, let's say a specific what you do is accountant payroll management, what you can make and how you can make money from this. First, your real job. Second, you will take courses because courses give you more credit in your real job. Third, you will work as a freelancer. When you do as a freelancer, this is give you more experience, give you more money, give you more comfort in your work. If you don't have a real work, you will be a freelancer, then you will get a lot of job offers because you already have the experience to do something. If you are payroll management something do in company or you know this, you can make a lot of money. Let's see what you can do of this. Let's see about these people do. The first one who do payroll, he has like more than 300 order. Every order was $10. The second one, the fourth one, oh my god, this have a lot of money because he doing like $800, 800 orders. Every order, the minimum order is 25. So he do what? I see this a lot. He do, I will do UK company payroll. UK at the recent moment, and they are hiring a lot of freelancers, especially in accounting. You can take this opportunity because in UK they just depend on freelancing in accounting so much and they are paying so well. They will not hire an one from UK because he will pay a lot of money for UK citizen to come to office to do a lot of things. This is not the case because when he dealing with a freelancing, he just save a lot of money. It's win-win. So I have three steps. You have real job or you don't, and you will get someone in future. Remember, is you do this for experience. You will get an experience. There is many programs doing payroll management. If he ask about some program like Excel, like something like this, I will leave in description all the programs that you are needed, that you are maybe needed, so you can make just like training on these programs. Buy some programs if you uh, have to buy this program and just train and train and train. You will not lose your money because this an experience in your real life. You are already accounting. This will take you in another level of your job because you are already an accounting. You will be something else because you just keep going in your life as an accounting with a freelancing with real job. You will be more expensive as a product. You are already product. You are men have experience or women have experience, so you can take not $10 for order, you can take 25, you can take 40, You can take more and more and more, you because you have the experience to do something no one else or a few else can do. This is very important. If you are working in payroll, just looking for the famous famous program that all people work in, and just sign up for this program. I will let you all programs in the comments, but remember, these programs are just uh, for you to learn, not to work. Learn before work, because if you learn something very well, this will put in your LinkedIn. You must have LinkedIn profile, so you will put this in your LinkedIn, so we'll get more jobs for doing this. And I recommend it to have a website for you, just like any website. You can buy a website with the minimum website budget like $2 a month. I will leave you that this discount for a website to make a whole CV website, so you can make a website with your CV and put all your works as a freelancer in this website, and put your all experience in this website. So anyone you see this website, you will see how far you go in your real life. This is very important. How to make money as an accountant is not very hard. You have to work hard on yourself. You will not lose anything, because from CV, from LinkedIn, from courses, you will do a lot of experience that will lead to a better job, that will lead you a better orders from freelancer websites. I will put this website because there is Fiverr, there is Upwork, there is a lot of websites, so you can do a lot of these websites. Thank you for watching. I really wish this help you guys.